How to recover Snapchat account without phone number or email. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to recover Snapchat account without phone number or email. So let's begin. What I would suggest is to open your web browser such as Safari, Chrome, and other web browser. So open a web browser and go to support.snapchat.com. And once you are here, simply click on Contact Us, which is the orange button right here, and then wait for it to load. So once it is done loading, simply click on I can't access my account. So click on it, and then under the Oh no, tell us more, simply click on I forgot my password. And then as you can see here, there will be a step or a suggested step right here. However, like what the title says, you have no email or no phone number. So simply click on yes under the need help with something else. Click on yes and then wait for it to load. Once it is done loading, you may now type in your username, your working email address, your working mobile number, and then type in what information should we know. So you may type in here like, hi, I forgot my password, or whatever reason you have, and then I don't have any email or um, phone number linked to it. And then make sure to type in help me with this issue. And then also do not forget to put words like thank you so much so that they would really appreciate to help you. So like that one, and then you may click on send right here, and if the captcha or the reCAPTCHA like this one would appear, simply follow it. And then afterwards, you should wait for at least 24 to 48 hours or until Snapchat will reach out to either your phone or your mobile number or your email address. So that's it. That's how you can recover Snapchat account without phone number or email. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.